Joe's EP3. I do not miss this. Oh, this shit. I do not miss it.
Car back. Right?
Just want to check if it's real. Like,
Oh,
you know.
he does?
Oh, yeah. Fucking right, Dino. Fucking right. What have you been up to?
Detailing it.
Clean it once.
Getting it clean.
Look at that. 6 months and they fucked your bonnet. Tidy though, isn't it?
Alright.
Done nice stainless fucking pipes and everything.
Yeah. Exhaust is there. Taxis on there, everything.
Do they? Bong, bong, bong.
Going back about it, mate. Not happy.
Fun fact of the day. This is on the way to my unit and this is where my car broke down. So I blew my Civic up, parked it there for a while. Fun fact, fun fact. We have been grafting for the last 2 weeks. You'll see in literally less than a couple of seconds how much we have been grafting, and the difference between the last video of when I showed you the unit. I haven't really done much between it, but watch this space, watch it. Real things. Oh, Joe's moving up, racking, fucking right. Go on, Joe, lad! Go on! Sam doing the fucking cementing.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy!
Awesome.
Look at this. Look at that. Is it dry?
Right into it, mate.
Yeah. I don't know how to mix it, but it's working, it's drying, so fuck it. Fucking rave on. Alright, go on. Sam's JDM CRX. It's not that bad.
It's all the way.
Oh, is it? I couldn't see, I didn't go that far. The fuck is it? Press unlock. You just keeps locking it. Look at the wood. Put some wood there.
I'm not saying it's not fucked, right? But it's got potential. Alright, guys.
Do you know what you should have got? The Del Sol, the proper one.
Yeah, mate. You get one of them. I regret.
Buying this car.
No.
And again.
Pretty good alarm, isn't it?
It goes off all the time.
What are you talking about? Like, if anyone like.
I don't know if you can see that. Ciao, catch you. Joe's EJ8, just getting K-swap turboed. I do like EJs, the only thing I don't like about them is the fronts, and I think people may agree with me that they've just ruined it with the big headlights. The big headlights aren't that great. You got a EE7 or an EF7, I'm not too sure because I haven't looked at the chassis number. Sam's, this is a JDM import with a moon roof. Don't really see many of these with all the bronze glass in it and everything. So this is, he's thinking about K-swapping this one, putting this one on the road. This is a B16, a D16. So a D16, just a standard CRX. This one's almost done. It just needs putting back together and then obviously respraying. And then that is our spray booth. You didn't put my fucking thing on properly.
I did. I'm pretty sure I did.
I did this myself.
Go on then, let's see ya.
Let me do that aperture.
You did well there, Steve. Really fucking well.
Get off. No. That's going to be edited down to like a second.
Watch our fucking door! Not me! Fucking hell! Go on about me, man, like crazy fucking bastard! These fucking making shit! Whoa, fucking hell.
She's just going up everywhere.
Close.
Is that a lot of the wall?
Whoa, man, like this is just clothes on me in a minute. Just this one. Oh, and that fucker, that stuffing bastard. This is gonna fall on me now.
Every time. Oh, fuck. Every time we come to this unit, we're like, oh, we've just got that frame to take down, it'll be fine. For like an hour, 2 hours. And then we start getting into it and it's like, it takes forever. And then it ends up being shitty. So Sam's now sealing the roof because of the leaks. We're just bodging it, see what it's like tomorrow because it's pissing it down. And I got this really shit spray gun and the paint's too thick that we bought, so we've had to water it down. It is. Carl is hard at work. So last night we painted everything and then Carl has come today to put all the booze in. So we just need to do some more painting because Carl can't be arsed plasterboarding this bit. No. Can you, Carl? Fucking lazy bastard he is. That's the rain you can hear, all that shit. Are you leaving it big sore here? We'll carry on using this. Fucking right, have it. Milwaukee as well. It's not a good make, that is it? Like Audi, innit? Yeah, I thought so. By the end of today, we'll have the all the fucking wood in, and then all we need to do, we need to come back next week and lift door up and throw the door in. Carl is almost done. He got tired and wanted to leave early. Because he's lazy as fuck. Lazy. So he's done all in here, and it's just, he's got this wall to do. That wall's staying there, and then this is staying. We've just got to clean all this up and paint it and knock them bricks out. So any local builders want to come and just knock them 2 bricks out for me here, and then we can take them out. You can knock them out, you can meet me for free. Nissan, give us a turn around. I called him Nissan one day, and he got his sister to stitch the to stitch the M on Nissan. So it's Nissan. I can't even say Nissan on Nissan. Oh, this fucking lamp is in the way. Oh. Woo! Yeah, boy, this is the fucking worst. Yeah, so we've got the door in. Fucking hell, that was a nightmare, and it just fits, like, honest to God. And then, just fitted, just.